Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character shou step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. Shou, to receive. To stand. To suffer. For example, 享受. To enjoy. To live it up. Take a deep breath and enjoy the moment. 深呼吸，享受这一刻。Take a deep breath. And enjoy the moment. "深呼吸 take a deep breath. 享受这一刻。深呼吸，享受这一刻。Enjoy the moment. Shou in cursive. Shou, to receive, to stand, to suffer. 享受 to enjoy, to live it up. Take a deep breath and enjoy the moment. 深呼吸，享受这一刻。Shou. Please comment any words or sentence with the character shou. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.